right, pretty well lit hallway. Lights look like this. People are asleep, so I'm talking pretty soft. We come to the door, and they want to see what the gap is at the bottom. Not much of a gap. All right, let's go inside. We have the front door right here. There's no lights really around here, but we do have a closet, the safe, the ironing board's in there. And then we come over here, then we have the bathroom. Pretty small, but I have seen smaller. Decent lighting, lights around the mirror. And then we have the classic Hilton amenities. We have a tub. The tub kind of looks like it's greenish, or maybe that's my eyes playing tricks on me. But that's the shower head. And we have one bottle that looks different than the others. 0 something gel. Then we have a good amount of space right here from the corridor to go into the room. And then here we go. 2 beds, 1 bedside table. Those are the backboards and whatnot. We have our TV right here, coffee machine. Let's see if this is a mini fridge. There's some vents under there, so we do have a mini fridge there. A little desk area. Mirror, some stuff saying it's easier to tip, I guess, with that QR code. And then we have a little chair right there. And then the view is probably, yeah, not too much. But over here we do see what the Peachtree Plaza or whatever that's called, the West End, Peachtree, whatever. Snow or salt over there. But yeah, this is the room, downtown Atlanta, Hilton.